Did you know that StatCan data can impact your pension and wage rate? Or that business decisions or your eligibility for a loan depend on our quality and timely data? But there are some misconceptions about how we acquire some of our data, and it is clear from discussions that Canadians have many questions concerning how we anonymize their information. So let's try to explain the processes in place that prevent the sharing of your personal, private, and financial information. First, know, we are obligated to fully protect and safeguard your privacy. It is the law. Your personal information has always and will always be protected. This is not just a commitment. It is built into our work and our culture. None of your private information can be released under any law, to anyone, no exceptions. Let's detail precisely how we protect your information. When your data arrives at Statistics Canada, whether it be from surveys or administrative data sources, some of your private information is used to create a demographic profile. Then, we remove and lock away the private information, keeping only data like gender, age, and region. Let's use Joe Jupiter as an example.
Hi, my name is Atisha and I'm a student. I study political science and communications at the University of Ottawa and I'm in my final year. Did you know that Statistics Canada produces data that is helpful for students like me? There's great information about lots of things such as student performance, career prospects for post-secondary graduates, types of educational institutions attended, and status in the labor force. For example, you can even find out how students have done in the labor market since the 2008 recession. Guess what? I even noticed that there's data which can be useful for school projects on topics such as the environment, the economy, and natural resources in Canada. The StatCan website is a great free resource. If you're a student or teacher, or if you know someone who might be interested, check it out.
I'm Lila Turen, and I'm one of the faces of StatCan. I'm a director of communications. What inspires me each day is languages. I love languages. I love them so much that I speak 6 of them. And I only hire people in my division if they have a great sense of humor. That's me. So Statistics Canada produces a tremendous amount of data every year. So that's why my job here at StatCan is important, because I'm responsible for the vehicle that gives Canadians equitable access to this data. The most interesting aspect of my job is that I get to work with a lot of people around the organization. If I were to sum up StatCan in one word, it's reliability.
Let's use Joe Jupiter as an example. Joe buys food, clothing, and hockey tickets online. This data is collected by StatCan. From there, Joe Jupiter's identity is removed from his data, and all that we keep for analytical purposes is the general information such as his age, gender, and region. This information is merged with information from other people who share the same gender, age, and geographical region. With thousands of up-to-date records collected in a similar manner, we are able to provide important information to improve government programs and policies. The results of these statistics can also provide you with useful information. We want to assure you that all the information we collect is kept in the strictest confidence. No information is ever released that would identify you, your family, or your business. That is our promise to you. Transparency is important to us. On our website, You will find a list of our surveys and administrative data sources and how they are used, delivering insight through data for a better Canada.